Come with me to make some designer shoes. I have a really good friend named Natalia. I want to give her a small gift, and I remember the many times she told me about these designer shoes. So I decided to give it a try and make her dream shoes. These shoes are so beautiful, but I can't afford to buy them, so I figured out how to make them. They are actually pink shoes with red roses. One rose on the front and one rose in the back. I think I can glue the roses to the shoe without a problem. The next thing is to count the petals. I think there are 4 large petals and 4 medium-sized petals. My first attempt was at the old rose, with some gathering. It ended up not looking like the original roses at all. The second try was to make the petals, but the shape was also wrong. It looked like a tooth. The third try was to make the petals as an arc. This try was the right one, finally. I went with 5.5 centimeters for the large flower and 4.5 for the medium ones. The width was the same as the length. Then I just drew the petals and added 0.5 centimeters seam allowance. At the hem, I didn't add any seam allowance. I need 16 large and 16 medium petals for the 4 roses. To make a petal, you need to sew 2 pieces together and turn the pieces to the right. This means I need 32 single medium pieces and 32 big pieces. I bought these shoes for 60 euros on sale in Mango and removed the headers they had. I also bought 50 centimeters of red tuft with pink yarns in it. To speed up the process, I fold the fabric to cut many pieces at once. And draw the pattern on the fabric with chalk. Pin it down to keep the fabric from moving and cut all the pieces out. I took 2 pieces each time and pinned them together. Now it's time to stitch the petals. Reduce the seam allowance and turn the petals to the right. Press them flat. To give them a structure, I gather the hem. This is what a finished rose looks like. Now let's assemble one. I started with the medium petals by placing them on top of each other and stitching them together. Then I added the large petals to the empty spaces. I used textile glue to attach them to the shoes. One rose on the front and one rose to the back. To hide the stitches, you can add a pearl. I painted mine with nail polish. And they are finished. I really hope she likes them. Let's see her reaction.